Several plants are well suited for growing indoors due to their adaptability to varying light conditions and relatively low maintenance requirements. Snake plant. This plant is incredibly hardy and can tolerate low light conditions. It also doesn't require frequent watering, making it perfect for beginners. Spider plants are known for their air-purifying qualities and are relatively easy to care for. They can thrive in a variety of light conditions and don't need constant watering. Pothos is a trailing vine that comes in various leaf colors and patterns. It can tolerate low light and irregular watering. Peace lilies are elegant plants that produce white flowers. Aloe vera is not only a useful plant for its soothing gel, but it's also easy to care for. Various types of cacti are great options for low-maintenance indoor plants. Succulents. They come in a wide variety of shapes, colors, and sizes, making them visually appealing indoor plants. Dracaena. They come in various shapes and sizes, and some can tolerate lower light conditions. Herbs. They not only provide fresh flavors for cooking but also add a pleasant aroma to your home. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.